is Yashraj.
Hi, this is Ruturaj.
Hi, this is Minar. Hi, this is Akash.
Hi, I'm Kabir.
सच बता तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है?
यही लगाता रहेगा।
किसको?
I thought we were only talking beauty products.
Guess the beauty product.
It's an egg. अंडा.
It is not. It's a sponge. It's a sponge. Okay. It's used for the makeup. तो spread करने के लिए होता है वो.
Pink color का Splendor.
Splendor बाइक होता है.
ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं ना?
Blender.
That's right, guys.
Go.
I know this. Girls used to put on this eyes. This is pink. I think relatable to pink.
Blush होता है भाई.
Blush होता है.
Not
I am
foundation.
not commenting anything. I was wrong the last time.
He doesn't agree with anything.
You're good for
I
nothing.
don't agree with anything.
That's correct.
पत्थर. Stone.
अरे no. It's that washa.
Jawline के लिए use
Stone.
Washa stone it is.
He has a good jawline. He might be
Washa.
Stone
I know this one.
sculpted jawline. It is for everything.
That's right, guys.
I know this.
Eyeliner.
आँखों में ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं.
Easiest.
ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं ना?
Obviously.
I think now we are pro.
It's not an eyeliner.
bro, we
हाँ भाई.
This is a mascara.
What?
What's the difference?
There is no difference between an eyeliner.
Exactly. आँखों में लगाते हैं ना?
Both are one in the same. Both are one in the same.
Let's move on.
Let's move on.
For you. वही तो नहीं है.
ये क्या है?
Lollipop. Oil. It might be a serum. Not oil.
Yeah,
Is
maybe.
this a product or is this like a top view
It
of
might be a serum.
something?
I think it's a serum bottle.
Okay, guys. Final answer.
Serum.
This is a serum capsule.
आधा point.
Point है मैं भगवान हूँ भाई.
अरे बांट लेंगे चलो.
I know this.
Compact. I'm telling you.
Foundation.
अरे compact है भाई. It's a compact.
मेरा foundation है bro.
मैं तो foundation में भी तेरे साथ ही हूँ.
2 guys for foundation, 3 for compact.
You all are wrong, guys.
What?
This is a concealer.
What is that? Next product. Face. It's a face.
Face mask.
Face mask.
How do you know? It's a face mask.
He's a pilot, yeah.
तू पायलट है तो तेरे को कैसे पता है? पहन के चलाता है क्या? सच बता तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड है?
मुझे तो लगता है यही लगाता रहेगा.
किसको?
Lipstick.
Lip balm.
It can be a lip balm. It can be a lipstick. Something with the lips.
Guys, again, you all are wrong. It's a highlighter.
Highlighter. क्या? This is called a highlighter. The stationary one.
ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट है कुछ अलग
Let
तो
it,
नाम
let
दो
it.
यार.
Skip. Eyebrow cutter.
Tweezers. I've seen in movies वो ऐसे. हाँ ऐसे करते ना.
Eyelash. Color.
Color. Which color?
Eyelash color.
हाँ.
Finally, you all got it right. It's an eyelash curler.
I know. 4DX IMAX face massager.
3D roller face massage.
Yes, guys, it's a face massager.
See?
That's it.
Let's go boys, let's go. क्या बाल कैसे बाल पकड़ेंगे बता.
I'm just thinking something else. I don't really know what to answer.
You don't answer, please.
It's a hair curler.
Oh, color.
Oh, I know that. Oh, you do this to hair na. I know.
English. ICSE.
I have seen everything in movies.
Eyes के puffiness के लिए I guess it's used. I guess.
गोशा जैसे ही होता है भाई. But what is it called?
पता नहीं.
रखने वाला.
Something
Under the eye.
to do with the under the eye.
Okay, you all are partially right. These are under eye masks.
राइट हुए ना, राइट हुए ना, बस बस।
ठीक है ओके
ये
हाँ मसाज
नहीं नो नो नो
आई थिंक
ये शावर के टाइम पे
स्क्रबर
स्क्रबर
टाइप
It's a head massager. It's a head massager.
हाँ वो बुड्ढे लोग नहीं क्या
अरे ऐसा हाथ में डाल के
Yes, you all are right. It's a head massager.
नेक्स्ट प्राडा प्राडा यस लिपस्टिक
Guys, it's a lip balm.
always same thing
सेम थिंग विथ कलर नेक्स्ट ए यो
I thought we were only talking beauty products
अरे ऐसा पकड़ते इतना तो पता है
Yeah, this is a hairband, I guess.
इज इट समथिंग टू डू विथ हेयर ओके
So it's a hairband.
अरे
pass
एटलीस्ट टेल अस व्हाट इज इट
It's a facial hair remover.
ओह अच्छा ओके यू डू दिस ना सी मैंने बोला ना पकड़ के कुछ करते हैं
For me, it look like a tongue cleaner now.
अरे पैकअप तो होने दे हो गया बाय गाइस